I'm going to show you how I made a motorcycle speed control for under $1. This hand is over 70 years old and it was badly damaged in an accident. Now, I can ride around town at part throttle on and off for hours if necessary, not a problem. But out on the open road with the throttle wide open at 120, 140, whatever speed I choose to ride at, I can't keep going for hours and hours. I was following behind a mate of mine who has an electronic speed control on his bike. What a pleasure for him. When his hand got tired, he could work it out, shake it out, get it loosened up. I'm sitting there, my hand is cramping, the miles are rolling by, my hand is getting sore. It really is not comfortable and there needs to be a solution. Well, thanks to YouTube, I found out that obviously my bike doesn't have an electronic speed control, but I don't need one, I can get a mechanical one. Costs a lot of money, 1,000 South African rands, it's a lot of money. But there's just as good a solution, and it's free. On my bike, I'll need a T40 Torx to take that bolt off the end of the handlebars. Remove the bolt. Make sure that all these various different little bits don't end up falling on the floor. Take the O-ring and fit it on. Get the bolt nice and tight. Does it work? Well, there's the normal throttle situation. Slip the O-ring into that groove, and now it stays wherever I put it. Even at full throttle, it stays there. No problem setting it anywhere. So it works here. Will it work out on the road? Let's go and check. Well, here we are riding out on the open road from Cape Town back to Johannesburg. Long, dead straight, flat roads at a continuous speed for hour after hour. Exactly the sort of conditions under which I used to get cramps in my right hand. I put the O-ring into the groove, set the speed I want to ride at, and I can completely relax my right hand. When I'm riding with both hands on the grips, my right hand is now just basically resting in position, and I can take my hand off the bars and do some stretching exercises. At this speed, the bike is perfectly stable. The gyro of the wheels is keeping it upright and straight and true, and now these long distance rides have become a pleasure.